Hey guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video. And because we are now getting into that magical time of the year where we are getting ready for 2025, so tends to be a lot of people doing rebooting and reworking their craft room, offloading stuff that you're not using anymore and just kind of reorganizing and getting set up. So what I'm going to be doing is coming out with a series of videos going over things that I've done for storage, maximizing the space. Because I have such a small craft room, it really comes down to space management. So keep a lookout for more videos following in that theme, and I'll probably come back in and do kind of a repeat of things that I've talked about in the past for those of you that may have missed it. I will link the original videos, but it never hurts to come back and put a fresh take on a concept for storage that I've used in the past. So anyway, for today's storage idea, what I've done is, I can't remember how long ago now that I've set this up. However, I believe this was a case I had found on clearance at Joann's for storing thread. I can't remember entirely, but by the looks of it, it looks like this was something where you could store the spools of thread in. What I did is I took that concept, and at the time, all of the embossing powders in here, this was everything I had when I bought this. I've since got more, so I'm on the lookout for another case like this. I haven't come across one yet, either on sale or one that was available when I had a coupon. But what this case allowed me to do was to take all the embossing powders that I had, get them sorted in roughly by color, and I could also store the small containers of the perfect pearls that I was collecting. They would go on clearance or, again, massive sale, and just kind of gathering all that stuff. And when I found this case, it allowed me to kind of store everything in one spot. So even though you come across these cases might be for one thing, I urge you to find a way to repurpose it for what you're looking to store. Because if I'd have just said, well, that's only for thread, then I would have completely missed out on the storage unit for all of the little containers of the embossing powder that I had at that time. So never discount, never be afraid to rework a storage item or a way to store it in your craft room to get it to work for what you need. And what I also like about this case is the dividers and everything, the sections it's all one piece. So when I take stuff out, I don't have to worry about the sides moving and lifting out of there and then everything getting jumbled. That was also a massive, massive plus. But it is also double-sided, which is also beautiful because, again, it allowed me to sort more or less by color, and I can open it up on either side depending on the color it is that I'm wanting to use for that day's project. And I also like it has this little middle section. These came in with, I want to say it was for here, for scooping out the perfect pearls. But again, it's been quite a while since I set this up, so I can't remember exactly. But I thought, in case I need to use these straws for anything, and there's embossing pens in here, I kept it all in here so that way if I needed it, I would know where to find it. Because it's mostly a clear plastic, I can see what's in there when I'm looking for something. So I just keep these all in there, like I said, and that way it's not getting lost, and it's not getting, these aren't getting bent, getting shuffled around in the craft room, like if I'd have kept these with my pen sorters and stuff. But anyway, sorry, I'm going off on a mini tangent. So again, quick tip, keep an eye out, especially this time of the year. They really start putting storage containers on sale. They might have like after Christmas door busting sales, stuff like that, but keep an eye out. And also keep an eye out for coupons that will get you an additional amount off. A lot of them will include sale items, And if you come across something like this, I would definitely grab it for things that are difficult to sort. You know, this one happens to be for the embossing powders, but if you do jewelry, this would be perfect for storing your charms and stuff into, and or you know, the things that you need for making the jewelry, like the findings or something. You know, I'm throwing out an example just to kind of get you thinking in another direction. So keep an eye out, because like I said, this time of the year, you guys may have also noticed that they tend to put a lot of stuff on sale for storage, because they know a lot of people have the New Year's resolutions. They want to go through their house, they want to clean stuff out and get rid of it. You know, here's a way to repurpose all the small things that get cluttery in your craft room. So here was absolutely the perfect case I could have found to store all the embossing powders I had at the time when I found this. And again, I am definitely keeping an eye out to see if I can get another one of these for the embossing powders and stuff that I've picked up since then, and I can start putting them in a second case. So that is today's quick tip. And again, I will start also linking previous videos that I've put out in case you've missed it. But keep tuned in, because I will definitely be having shorter videos, hopefully helping you guys as you get ready for 2025. So in the meantime, take care, stay safe, enjoy the rest of the holiday season, and I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in some more content, here's a couple videos you might want to check out, and I will catch up with you in the next one.